welcome to the LINmagination channel. I'm so happy that you clicked on this video. Today I am going to give you a tour of a studio villa standard view at Aulani, a Disney resort and spa. I am staying in a DVC unit. This is one of our DVC home resorts, and I am so happy to be back in paradise and show you around. We are staying in room 567, and in a couple of nights we're actually going to move into a DVC hotel room. So if you want to see what that kind of room looks like, you'll want to subscribe to my channel, that way you can check it out later. Alright, so this room is in the Iwa Tower. And when you first walk into the room, you have the closet, and in the closet you'll find your ironing board, the iron. There is a luggage rack behind all of our luggage. You'll find hangers, laundry bags, and a safe. Alright, and next to the closet is your kitchenette. So the kitchenette consists of a microwave. You've also got this beverage cooler. Let me open it up so you can see what kind of space you're working with. Me and Sean actually did a Target order pickup for water and energy drinks. And as far as coffee goes, we do have a Keurig machine, and we have Joffrey's coffee in here. So we've got French roast, and we've also got a couple of decaf. There's also Twinings tea. So we've got green tea, English tea, and then your different condiments. We have a little tiny sink here, and included with your stay is a sponge. And then we've also got some dish soap here. Right next to the coffee machine are some paper towels. Here is our microwave. It's pretty decently sized. And then in these cabinets is where you'll find like a tea kettle, your ice bucket, a toaster, and you'll also find paper plates and bowls, as well as disposable spoons and forks. We also have some cups that you can use and some wine glasses at the top. And at the very top, these cabinets have nothing. It's empty up there. Down below, behind this cabinet, is where you'll find your trash can, as well as a recycling bin and a fire extinguisher. Okay, so across from the kitchenette is the bathroom. And so the last time I stayed here was in 2023. Something that is different is that they provide hand soap now, and they also have pump lotion, and then of course they also have body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. This smells so good. It's by Malie. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but they have a website, so if you love the smell of the toiletries here at Alani, you can order some from their website. In the shower tub combo, we do have a ceiling shower head, so it'll feel nice and luxurious. And then you'll also find some towels here, a hook. And as far as the vanity goes, it is just one sink, but it's pretty spacious. There's a trash can down there, extra toilet paper, more towels, and then in this slot is where you'll find the hairdryer. And in this room is where you'll find the toilet and this beautiful painting of fish. There's also another hook on this side of the wall, and as far as the doors go in this bathroom, they are the sliding door configuration. Next to the kitchenette is this full-length mirror, that way you can do your fit checks. And now let's move into the room. So we have this queen-size bed, and I love this Mickey head towel that they made. It's so beautiful. You can even keep the flower clip. And that's not the only towel art that we have in this room. They also made this beautiful swan. And I found 2 more flower clips. So we have plenty of flower clips. There's one by the telephone, and then there's another one over by the desk over there. Right next to the nightstand is this lovely couch here that pulls out to a full-size sleeper. And I love this painting. All right, so as far as the bed goes, On the left side is this tall lamp. I really wish they put a nightstand there, but this is the space that we're working with. There is one free outlet, so if you don't mind plugging your electronics or whatever and keeping them on the ground, that shouldn't be a problem. Something I wanted to point out is that the bed is high off the ground. That way you can put your luggage underneath there. That way you have extra space in here. And then on the other side of the bed, where the only nightstand is, we've got a drawer, the telephone, writing pad, and a pen, as well as a clock. And as far as the charging ports go on our clock here, we have a USB-C port as well as a USB port. We've got a tall lamp in the corner. We also have this ottoman, and I believe this is where you'll find bedding for the couch. Yes, so this is where you'll find the extra pillow and blanket to make that into a bed. Across from the couch is this wonderful little seating area. We've got a mirror and this awesome lamp. I wish I could buy one and bring it home, but I do not know where I would put it if we had one for our collection. I am celebrating my 38th birthday here at Alani, so they gave me this button. So cute. They've also left this print here. This is by Brett Iwan, and if you don't know who he is, he actually voices Mickey Mouse. So let me pull the art print outside of its sleeve, that way you can take a look at it without the sheen here. And you'll want to take this art print to the Disney Vacation Club desk and they'll give you a gift. I'm not entirely sure what the gift is yet, but if I make it there, I will share what the gift is. And again, we have another plumeria flower there. And there are 2 outlets here. So right now I've got my phone charging, and right next to the lovely seating area is this dresser and the TV. I will never get tired of this. E como mai, and welcome home ka ohana parawan. I hope I said all of that right. As far as the dresser goes, this is the depth, so you have an idea of how much stuff you can fit in there. And I think I already pointed out the trash can that's right there. So as I stated earlier, we do have a standard view. So we are on the 5th floor, and let me flip the camera so you can see what our view looks like. We've got a view of the convention center. We've got 2 patio chairs here and a little table, and then this is the view of the convention center. Here's another vantage point of our villa. And here is another vantage point of our studio villa. This is probably one of the smaller DVC studio villas that I've stayed in before. When I came here on a girlfriend's trip back in 2023, we were a party of 4 women and the space was tight. But we still had an amazing time, so yeah. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of a studio villa here at Alani, a Disney resort and spa. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss out on future room tours and future Disney vlogs. Bye!